man treating you like oxtail or chicken back? Chicken back, my love. Man treat me like some chicken back. Wait, quick question. Yes? What's the quick question? Hi, Rose. What's up, my love? Hey, Pookie. How are you? Yes, Kimmy. 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 No more chicken. Yo, I want some oxtail, and the place I get it from, they're closed on Mondays. I'm hungry. Somebody send me some oxtail, bro. I'm hungry, dog. Like.
You gotta just pull it. She was like, if y'all want to go do something, like y'all gonna be in the city already, so y'all go figure out some shit after. But so I was like, yo, listen, I'll bring the weed, I'll bring whatever, but you know what I mean? I haven't been smoking, so it's probably gonna be the first time I smoked it since the summer, honestly. Well, I'm lying. I took like probably a couple of bowls after that, but like, you know, actually smoking a split and shit. But still out going, bro. I was trying to see what you was trying to fuck with in the city. But we could try to find some vibes and some shit. We gotta call some people or something. I ain't gonna lie. It's a calm night still, don't get me wrong. It's just the fact that for the rest of the night we gonna have to figure out our own plans because she's not fucking. Exactly. She wanna just do some stuff. Go about her way, exactly. Cause true or bro, I do understand it too. Yeah. That's why I said, let me carpool with you. Cause me trying to go find parking and you trying to go find parking, it don't make no sense if we're all going to the same shit. You know, it would make more sense for me to help you find parking than we both trying to. Get parking, I don't get parking, then it's like, damn nigga, I'm fucking spending how much time trying to go find parking, it don't make no fucking sense, it's a city, so. But, I'm trying to see, like, one book, where the fuck this? Look at the traffic in this pussy cloud, bro. Hold on. Oh, you can't even see it, bro. It's mad. Yeah, it's just bad traffic, like. Oh, yeah, I can show it. Bomba, what the fuck is this? You know it. But yeah, yeah, I just do that. That's exactly what I'm trying to say, though. I mean, we gotta just be on timing, bro. But more time. Yo. Nah, that's just, nigga. You gotta think black people time, nigga. You gotta think about what, like, who the fuck coming early, bro? Exactly. Nobody stepping to the function that early, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, I love this Range Rover. Oh, he got a party, or like he just known to just has. that vibe? Or? Okay. Oh, for true. That's exactly what I'm trying to show you. Like, there's mad vibes going on. Just can't tell me like we gonna just go to that and just come home, bro. And it's Christmas weekend. Exactly. Exactly. You know what you see? You see the vibe now. She purposely. Yeah. Nah, no true shit. Nigga, it's the best time, nigga. I'm trying, yo, brother, yo, nigga, I'm already bringing the weed, bro. Like, if you wanna, shit, I'm a cop at 8th. If you wanna go half on the 8th, let me know. But I'm a cop at 8th, and I'm gonna have the roll up, nigga. So, someone had an accident. One in county cop. Oh my God, county. Oh, someone's car got fucking bad. Wrong side of the road. What kind of shit is this? Nah, that nigga's wild. Yeah, bro. We gotta find some vibes, cause nah, true shit. I'm trying to get over a cold right now. No funny shit. I'm trying to get over a cold right now. Oh, a cold. Yeah, I'm sick, man. Fuck it. I don't even know real shit. Since this past week. Back to one of the boroughs, bro, like the known shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Peter Bob, I was about to tell you right now. I didn't want to say this shit, but you know, if I say, you know what I'm about to say, bro. You dead ass don't know? Nah. Hold on, break. What if we link those what if we link Shandy for the shit? Yeah. Alright, so hold on. So bring this now. Bring the vibes right now. Alright. We're gonna lock in. We're gonna lock in. Even if I don't get nothing out of this shit, I know you're gonna get something. So hold on, lock in with this. You know what I'm saying? If I gotta fucking talk to the friend, I'll talk to the friend. If I gotta smoke the friend out, I'll smoke her out, bro. I don't give a fuck. Shorty last time wanted to smoke out bad, bro. And I just rolled up a spliff. I told you about that. Nigga, this time I'll smoke with her. I don't give a fuck. No bitch is gonna call you drunk unless she wants some dick, bro. Alright? That ass. You think a bitch gonna call their moms when they fucking drunk, bro? Dig out their wall, bro. Yeah, listen, I'm not too worried. I'm not like that either, bro. The reason why I'm gonna say that, she's a cool gal. She seems like she's just a cool. She seems like she'll be a cool gal if you on some friend shit, but trying to get with her. Every nigga want to get with her, bro. Bro, every nigga I've showed this bitch to, the friend, Vonnie, Ball, you, whoever other else, they want her, bro. I'm like, nah, I'm Gucci, bro. You gotta be friends with the bitches first. Find out all her friends and what they look like, and then attack. I'm saying? Shit, bro, I don't give a fuck about none of that, bro. If I get bad joints, I get bad joints, bro. I'm not gonna fuck with an ugly bitch, though. I'm definitely not. It's either you, listen, if you that nigga that's pulling bad bitches left and right, then yo, bless to you, nigga. I ain't gonna hold you. Gangster. You got niggas that's doing that shit like clockwork, bro.